Old Delhi, is it just a place? Well, let us tell you a story of Old Delhi. A heritage in itself, it is the ideal place for one to observe the colossal of culture and social convergence, both old and new. On the one hand, there is the Red Fort, built by Shah Jahan, standing tall since the Mughal era, while on the other, the newly modeled streets of Chandni Chowk. Delhi truly knows how to keep the architecture and essence of this place alive. Time somehow stands still in the streets of Old Delhi. Oh, look, flowers. Don't you find the sight of moguras or Arabian jasmine being weaved into a garland absolutely mesmerizing? The flowers sit along with one another in complete harmony, just like the culture of Old Delhi. Well, what are you waiting for? Hop onto the rickshaw with us. This is a remarkable way to explore and picture the hustle and bustle, as well as the colors of the narrow winding streets bursting with people and pavement shops. In front of you is a building donning ancient architecture dating back to times immemorial. This place is always crowded, but among all the chaos, sitting in some corner, maybe sipping a cup of tea, you will find peace. The uniqueness of these narrow alleys can only be experienced by taking a walk down the memory lane. Ah, a jeweler at work. Here you will find shops selling from an extravagant array of jewelry. Old Delhi is also the hub of different Indian fabrics. We spotted a unique store that sells saris from West Bengal. It has been a long walk, don't you think? Well, let's go get something to eat. Shall we? How mouth-watering these street delicacies appear. They taste as good as they look. Take our word for it. Of course, the big draw in Old Delhi are the local restaurants that prepare and serve food. They have closely guarded their recipe over centuries. Their secrets are handed down only to their next generations. Let us now dive into some mouth-watering food. See you in a bit.
बताओ कितने टाइम से है यहाँ पे?
मैं अभी मेरा 4 साल हो चुका है।
आपको 4 साल हो गए। और करीम को यहाँ कितने कब से है ये?
1913 के ज़माने में खुला था, अंग्रेजों के ज़माने में।
अच्छा, और क्या क्या शाही क्या क्या पकवान कौन कौन से बढ़िया है यहाँ पे?
ड्राई में सर चिकन बर्रा, मटन सीख कबाब, तंदूरी चिकन, चिकन बर्रा, ये सब ज़्यादा चलते हैं। मटन सीख कबाब, मटन सीख कबाब, चिकन सीख कबाब, शामी कबाब, करीम रोल, चिकन बॉडी रोल, मटन बॉडी रोल।
और सबसे बढ़िया इनमें कौन सा है?
मटन सीख कबाब, शामी कबाब ज़्यादा चलता है। और करियट में मटन कुरमा है।
अच्छा।
बादाम पसंदा जो होता है बोले से होता है मटन का।
This magical experience will give you a perfect opportunity to discover the less known and the ancient part of Delhi that holds in its bosom heritage, culture, and so many stories going back centuries. We are glad that you came along with us on this journey.